Hello there, I'm Chef Johnny, your 2023 Ultimate Beef Loving Texan. And today, I'm gonna show you how to cut up some vegetables, but also one thing I'm gonna do is show you a new set of knives I've got. You have found Chef Johnny's Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine, and I do have some new knives for you guys. That is just a very pretty set of knives. They come in a really nice wooden box. And this is the carving set. I'm gonna put a inset of me slicing up a picanha on there. Did that earlier today actually, but I'm liking this knife. A lot of times with these Japanese style knives, the handles are too small for me because I've got a really big hand. This one's got a nice size handle on it. There's some in the set I think they're a little bit smaller that I would have problems with. My wife likes these because they're light, they're not heavy. I'm used to a little heavier knife, but nice heavy stainless steel. Guys, I'm not gonna go into all the details. I'll put a link for their website below and you can look at all the numbers of hardness and all that. That's above my pay grade. I don't understand all that. I just know if a knife's sharp and if I like using it. This carved up a picanha, really nice. Y'all can see that in the videos I've put on here, but a nice set. I think all these sets together are $400 something on their website. But again, a nice wooden, right? Nice wooden box, stores in there tightly. Nice fork, nice knife. Good, a very, very nice carving set that I got in from them. Go to the next set. Got 3 knives in here. So here's this set. Y'all take a look at it. So here's a set, guys. 3 knives, a utility knife, which has really got a small handle. That's the one I was talking about that was tough for me. Chef's knife, got little holders for the ends so you don't stab into your foam. And then I think you say nakuri is the way you say that. That's a South Texas slang, I guess, for it. But for chopping the vegetables. Y'all saw me slice up a picanha with the carver. Let's see how these work. I've never had one of these. I was excited about getting one of these. Never had one before, but nice big carrot. These are sharp, and I'm cutting them on the bias, right? So I got a lot of ground to go through there. If you're gonna do roundos, right? So here we go. And if I'm gonna bear claw, right? Don't wanna get it up. These knives are very sharp, but I think they slice well. Nothing wrong with that knife at all. And we can take another one and again on the bias, right? I think it's a 7-inch knife, but again, nice knife. Lay it there. Utility knife. A lot of times I'll take it here and we're gonna cut something. Say we're making some strawberry roses or something. Very nice. Nice and stiff. Got a good spine to it. And their chef's knife. Nice and stiff. Good bolster on it. Goes all the way through the handle. The things I want to see in a good knife. These have it. Now, I'm used to German steel. Y'all know I use my Mercers a lot. I got a Mercer Genesis and some Mercer Renaissance. I do have some Wusthoffs, so I'm used to that German steel. But I'm liking this real well. Cut something else up. Let's just slice an onion real quick. It's good and sharp. Move it out. Pull the skin off real fast. Take our chef's knife and we'll back it up here a little bit on the edge of the table. All right, now I'm gonna cut 3/4 to 7/8 the way through. And here we go. Quick work of an onion. It just cuts well. I don't have any gripes at all. First time I used the chef's knife actually. And a great big carrot here, right? The blade's not too thick. It's got a big enough handle for me. Like I said, I think that ring's a 14 or a 15. So I got a big hand and it's giving me no problems at all of cutting these up. And here's our last box. All of them come with this hi there card. It says, hi, here we go. It's just your certificate of authenticity. I think it's pretty. It's got that wooden handle on it. Again, tang all the way through, good heavy bolster on it. It's pinned in place. I'm liking this knife a lot. It's got some heft to it, something, you know, that I'm used to when I'm using my knives, but a beautiful, beautiful knife. Try this carrot on this Santoku. Look at this, guys. No problems at all, right? Make short work of that carrot. Very, very sharp, out of the box, Damascus steel. Let's try our onion here. All right. There you have it, guys. Diced onion. I think these are nice knives. Like I said, they did send them to me. I turn down a lot of knives, and I reject knives that get here that don't meet things that I think are good, that would be good for you. And this, without a doubt, is a good set of knives. Oh, King Joy. We'll have some links below, things like that for you. But they're nice. They might even give me an affiliate link. I don't remember. They just showed me the knives, asked me if I'd do a demo for y'all. And so they sent me the knives out. So full disclosure, they did give these knives to me. But if I didn't like them, I'd tell you I didn't like them. But right now, I'm liking them. It's nice Japanese steel. And when you go to their website or the papers, they give you hardness numbers, all of that, thicknesses, everything. That's, like I said, above my pay grade. Not something I deal in. I just think, is that a good knife? Could I use that knife? And again, a lot of times Japanese style knives are too small for me. This is a heavier knife than the chef's knife, but I think it's balanced pretty good. It's got enough weight in the handle, but I'm liking this Santoku right there. It's a nice knife. Works good. So anyways, there you have it. Give them a try. Take a look at them. Go to their website. They had them marked full price. I want to say all those were like $800, but they had them on the site for 400 and something. So anyways, not a cheap set of knives, but I think they're a good knife. And I like them. I might get some and see if you like them. Go to the website, see what you think. But again, thank them for sending them out to me. I hope y'all like them. If you do, tell them Chef Johnny sent you over there and you saw them on Chef Johnny's Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. Thanks for stopping by. Always do appreciate it. And we're going to see y'all down the road on Chef Johnny's Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. So long, everybody.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.